Hey lovelies, welcome back to today's video. I'm Vick, and today I'm going to be talking about facials, how to take care of your face as a lady, as a girl. Yeah, most of us, we use a lot of cosmetics every day, and these cosmetics wear our face off. Some times we have pimples, breakouts here and there, and acne. But today I'm going to tell you how to naturally take care of your face to avoid pigments, okay, using rose water. Hello, please welcome back to today's video. I'm super excited to be back, and I have a wonderful product I want to show you guys, especially for your face, ladies. This is rose water. This rose water, a lot of us have heard a lot of wonders of this rose water, and I just want to throw more highlights on what this does on your face. First of all, rose water removes dark spots, and it gets rid of premature aging like wrinkles. It makes your face to look beautiful and glow. If you're using rose water as your daily skincare routine, you will know that rose water is very beneficial for the skin. Okay, I was just able to buy this. This is from bottle. I've used this before and I really love it. So I had to buy this one, but before I start using this one, I just feel like I should introduce it to you all in this channel. Like, if you haven't used it before and you must have heard a lot of things that rose water does, I think you should consider using it. You should consider buying it for yourself, because this works on your face. It makes your face to be smooth, and so it makes you look younger. So I think, ladies, we all need this product actually, because I know that every one of us want to keep looking sweet and glowing, and it's essential you do that with natural products. It's essential you do that. You look young and beautiful. You moisturize, you take care of your skin using more of natural products. Rose water is made of rose petal inside water, okay? So it's very natural but works great for the skin. How do I use this rose water thing? First of all, what you're going to do is get a facial soap. Okay, don't stop using your body soap on your face to avoid lots of pigments, you know, lots of breakout, dark spots, dark circles, and a lot of face. So first of all, you have to get a facial soap. I recommend Bismuth facial soap, but not their body cream or body soap. The facial soap is really nice, and that's what I've been using. Get a facial soap, or if you have any other one that works, you can get it. Get a facial soap. Wash off your face with your facial soap, okay, at night before going to bed. Like when you're done bathing, after using your facial soap, wash it off, and then when you're about sleeping, use your rose water. Just apply a little quantity into a cotton ball, just this way, okay, and just use it to tap. I'm just going to use it right now on my body because I'm on makeup, so I'm just going to show you. You see what I'm doing? Just use it to clean off your face. Use it to clean off your face, and trust me, your face is really going to come out beautiful in the morning. That's what I do, and I've used a lot of bottles, like 2 bottles. This is my second or my third one, but I feel like to show you all this before I start using it. Rose water is beautiful. If you want to take care of your face, it's good to use natural products compared to chemicals, so your face doesn't get breakouts, so that your face doesn't get worn out. All right, so sweetheart beauties, this can also be used for a guy. You can also use it for a guy, but it's beautiful, and I love the feel, and the smell is wonderful. It's heavenly. So I hope you enjoy my videos. Please thumbs up, subscribe, share my videos, invite your friends and loved ones to be to every channel. I try as much as possible to tell you products that work. I don't like to do copy and paste. I don't talk about what people say or look at what people have done. I just come and research and try it and recommend it to people after they've used it and it works for them if I come to this channel. So I recommend, I can boldly tell you that I recommend products that works. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.